Paragon Professional has several report views which you can customize to fit your needs. Let's dive in to see how easy it is to make a report your own. A good example of a report to customize is the blue flyer. The default settings for this report include text at the top and bottom inviting you to make changes. It also has a limited set of fields due to space, but they can be easily switched out with fields applicable to your listing. Let's say this is my listing and I'm hosting an open house this weekend, and I'd like to share these flyers around the office. To customize any report, go to the Customize button and choose Fields. At the very top, you'll see Residential selected for the class. That makes sense since I ran a residential search for this listing. You can switch the class here to make changes to this report for any other property class. You'll see a drop-down menu for page number as well. If the report is multiple pages, you'll select the appropriate page here to make adjustments to each page. In the center, it tells you that the white areas are editable while the gray areas are not. You can also preview your changes, restore defaults, which means it will go back to the original, and save and close to save your changes. On this particular report, we can customize the header. Since I'm promoting an open house, I'll include details about that. I can also include custom text at the bottom. I'll include some details that will hopefully encourage agents to stop by. Then I can update the fields. Here's where I'll want to think about this specific property and what I want to promote about it. The size of the box tells you how much room you have. If I left all of the fields in the report, I would only have room for maybe one more field. To make changes, double-click in the box. I can search through the list of available fields to add the fields I want. My listing has a 2-car garage, so I want to highlight that by double-clicking on Garage to add it to the selected fields. I'm going to filter the list to find the garage capacity field and add that too. I've added 2 fields, but if you recall, I really only had room for one more, so I'm going to remove fields that I don't need. In the selected column, you can change how the field label displays with options of no label and short label. No label will take away the field name. For most of the fields here, this wouldn't work. For example, if I took away the label for lot acres, it would just display the value, which is 1.10. No one would know what that 1.0 meant without the field label. Short label keeps the label but abbreviates it. Notice it's already selected for square foot approximate total finished. With these changes, I'll click Save. A good example of using no label is with public remarks. Notice no label is selected, therefore it does not display the field name on the report. Despite there being no label, we still know what this field is thanks to the property description. You can also edit what displays for office information or use this area for more listing data. Once you're satisfied with your changes, click Save and Close. If no photos are displaying for yourself or your office, you can add your photos in Preferences by selecting User. There you'll find the ability to upload your headshot. Office brokers can add the office logo, which displays for the entire office. If one doesn't display for you, reach out to your broker or office admin and request that they add it to the office logo in the User Preferences section. Now you're ready to email or print your report. Before you print, keep in mind you can change the photos. If there are specific photos you'd like to highlight, pick them and you're ready to print. When you click the Print button, there are 2 options. Print will give you exactly what is on the screen. So if you've updated the photos, use Print. If you choose Print Plus, it will revert to the original order for photos. The flyers are not the only reports you can customize. Remember, on any report, you can click Customize, then choose Fields, and make updates to any white section of the report. Remove fields that may not be relevant to your market area and replace them with fields that you need. As long as you save your changes, they'll be applied to all of your future searches. Customizing reports is just another way to make Paragon Professional work for you. Thanks for watching.